Hi everyone, I hope you all are fine and happy. Today our topic is why is self-improvement so hard? This is requested topic by someone. Realizing we need to change or improve something in our lives or personalities is just the first step and often the easiest one. After that comes the challenges of actually making the change and keeping up with it. But change and self improvement is always easier said than done. It can be difficult to continue making those changes lifestyle, speech, habits, pattern of thinking, and behavior that leads to personal growth. I share with you a few factors that makes self improvement difficult. Number 1, wrong motivation. When we are motivated by negative emotions, fears, guilt, shame, regret, anxiety, it's nearly impossible to sustain efforts to change. While these negative emotions can be the catalyst to begin the change, it's positive emotion that lead to long-lasting results. Too much all at once. Taj Mahal was not built in a day, and you are not going to be a totally new person overnight. Breaking down your long term goals into short term ones will make them more manageable. Instead of seeing things as huge, vague, overwhelming achievement, you will be able to tackle everything to bite at a time. Too many changes at a time. Have you ever tried to change a tire while refilling brake fluid and washing the car? Sounds silly, but sadly, we can approach personal growth with the same mentality of I want to do everything at the same time. Tackle one changes at a time. Once you start seeing real progress, move on to another, but not a moment before. Lack of commitment. Most of us want to change, but it's hard to commit to lasting change over the long haul. This is where commitment devices come in. A plan to change, a commitment with a friend, or anything that provides a physical reminder of what we have determined to do. Forgetting to plan for failure. No one wants to plan to fail, but failure is always more likely than success. The secret is using each failure to help you avoid the same mistake each time. Plan to pick yourself up and try again when you fail the first, second, and third time. Self improvement is not about the hitting a goal and being content with an accomplishment. The real change comes during the journey, one step at a time. Don't be so focused on the end result that you fail to see how important each step along the change process really is. I hope you enjoy this video and this video is very helpful for you, and I hope you always improve day by day. And if you like my video, so please share with your family members and friends, and you can ask me any question about self improvement on Instagram. So follow me Instagram.